magazine changes, right? There is a speed reload, there is a slide lock reload or emergency mag change, and there's a tactical reload. Those are the three reloads that we're going to train on. Which one is the most dangerous? Which one's the worst? Slide lock, right? The gun's empty. Okay, so you got to get that gun up. So this is one of my favorite drills, especially if you're going to the range, you just don't have that much ammo and you need to work on some fundamentals. This is one of my favorite drills to work on one of these fundamentals. Is that I have an empty mag and I have loaded mags. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work this slide lock reload drills. So if I have, so this is the setup. Empty gun, 3-point check, loaded mag, insert it in. Now the gun's loaded. I'm going to take out the full mag. I'm going to take an empty mag, 1 round's in the chamber, so what's going to happen? It's going to induce a slide lock reload on me, forcing me to conduct an emergency mag change drill. Any questions with that? All right, so I'm going to go up, slide lock to the rear, conduct my 3-point change. I'm going to take a full mag, put it in, put a round in. Attempt to empty mag, put it in, press check. Now I'm set, right? We understand? I'm going to move up on line. I'm going to press out. It's got a slide lock reload, put it back in. Turn my gun. Reset. Bring it out. Fire. Slide lock reload. Bring back in. Fire. Press. Here. Take the empty mag. Reset. We understand this drill? Ready on the right, ready on the left. The range is hot. Make it work. It's all right, you're a Marine. I expect that from you guys. Negative, negative. All right, stop. When did we start doing this shit? Slide lock reload. Why? Why am I reaching for this? Why? It's waste of movement, waste of energy. Let gravity take over. Understand? If your mag gets stuck, right? I press it, gets stuck, sweep it across. Dunk.